Today, we're going to delve into a subject that affects many men but is often met with silence: erectile dysfunction, or ED. It's time to break the stigma and explore natural ways to address this issue and improve your sexual health without relying solely on medication. So, if you or someone you know is looking for alternatives, you've come to the right place. We've done our research, and we're here to provide you with a comprehensive guide on natural ways to treat erectile dysfunction. Let's start with lifestyle changes. Making certain adjustments can significantly impact your sexual health. Regular exercise is key. Cardiovascular workouts like jogging, swimming, or cycling can enhance blood flow, a crucial factor in achieving and sustaining an erection. Exercise also reduces stress and boosts your overall sense of well-being. Your diet plays a vital role in sexual health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports circulation and heart health, both essential for strong erections. Certain foods like watermelon, spinach, and dark chocolate are packed with nutrients that can positively affect erectile function. Chronic stress and anxiety can be culprits behind ED. Practicing stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help you relax, reduce anxiety, and ultimately improve sexual performance. Now, let's explore natural supplements and remedies that may assist with ED. L-arginine, an amino acid, is known to relax blood vessels and enhance blood flow. You can find it in various foods like nuts, seeds, and meat, or consider a supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Ginseng, especially Korean red ginseng, has shown promise in enhancing erectile function and boosting libido. You can find it as a supplement or consume it as a tea. Herbal supplements like horny goatweed, ginkgo biloba, and maca root have been used traditionally to address sexual issues. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying herbal remedies to ensure they are safe and suitable for you. Another natural approach to improving erectile function is through pelvic floor exercises. Kegel exercises aren't exclusive to women. Men can benefit greatly from them. These exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, strengthening them and promoting healthy blood circulation in the genital area. Did you know that sleep quality can profoundly impact your sexual health? Quality sleep is crucial. Poor sleep patterns can lead to hormonal imbalances, negatively affecting your sexual performance. Ensure you get enough restorative sleep each night. To sum it up, these are natural ways to treat erectile dysfunction. However, it's vital to remember that everyone is different. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your lifestyle or trying new supplements or exercises. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth content on health and wellness. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might find it beneficial. We'll be back soon with more detailed insights into various health topics. Until then, take care, prioritize your well-being, and remember, you're not alone in this journey.